Welcome to Psychology Daily. We begin the new week and it's about aggression. Today I will tell you about how playing first-person shooters related to the place where you shoot in real life. This video is about gaming and headshots. Have you ever played first-person shooter? I have. Here I'm playing Counter-Strike. But what it is about? The thing is that some games teach us to shoot into the head because headshots make more damage. On the other hand, in real life, instructors teach people to shoot into the torso. As little as head, but high opportunity to hit, and in the case of missing torso, chance to shoot limbs or even head. In one study, Bushman asked participants to play in 3 types of games. Violent, with most efficient way to kill zombies in that game, is to destroy their brains with headshots. Non-violent shooting game where participants were punished for hitting bullseye targets with faces. And third group, who played
Super Mario Galaxy.
Then, all participants went to shoot into mannequin with as many bullets as possible. They had 16 bullets each. And Bushman was interested whether participants in the violent group would target for the head more than other 2 groups. As expected, they did, for 26% more often than in other 2 groups. And there was a link between number of violent games participants reported he or she played and the number of hits to the head. Interestingly, such factors as number of guns participants had owned, the number of times they had shot a gun, their attitudes toward guns, and the total number of hits were not related to targeting head. Well, the results of that study is cool. It shows that people who play first-person shooters target to head more than other people because it's beneficial in games, but not in real life. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you tomorrow.